To install OneDrive, open your internet browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. In the address bar, go ahead and type in OneDrive.com. At this website, you'll click the download link. You'll click OneDrive for Windows Download. Now, because I'm using Google Chrome, my setup file went to the lower left corner of the screen. If you're using a different browser, you may need to go to your Downloads folder. So I'm going to click on my File Explorer button right here. And I'm going to go to Downloads right here. And you'll see the setup file listed there. To install OneDrive, you just double click on this application. And it goes through the installation of OneDrive. And when it's finished, you should be able to go to your Start menu, and you should be able to scroll down and find OneDrive in the O's, which I have it listed right here. Now, this OneDrive account will needing to be logged into so that you can sync it to your actual Microsoft account. And the way that works is you click on top of it, and then you would type in your email address and sign in. And now I have my OneDrive folder set up, and I'm just going to show you what you just did here. You can click your File Explorer button down here. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this. This is the OneDrive folder, and the way that it should work once you have it synced is it should show any folders or files that you have stored in the cloud. If you don't have anything stored in the cloud yet, they wouldn't show here.